let's break down the Williams percentage R indicator, an oscillator that helps to identify overbought, oversold condition. It's very tied to the price and helps. That's one of the reasons why it is so great spotting these very places, these very moments when the market is ready to reverse from the overbought and oversold conditions. So where do you find this indicator? What are its most common uses? Let's break it down. Under the section of indicator oscillators, the last one in the list, Williams percentage R, by default is applied to the periods of 14, and of course can predefine the lines, type of the line, as well as the thickness of the line, visibility on what time frames and what chart types you would like to see that, and you can add levels or remove levels. By default, it comes with the range of -20, -80. Anything below -80 down to -100 is considered to be oversold, and the range in between 0 to -20 is considered to be overbought. A very important thing to add here and to mention that the Williams percentage R measures the current price relative to its recent high-low range. By default, it comes with the period of 14, of course. So that helps to create this quick change in price environment that helps to spot that overbought, oversold condition. And take a look how it all looks like on the chart. For example, when the market is creating its peak and the Williams R is placing itself over the -20 in the range between -20 and 0, this indicates that we are very likely in overbought conditions. And the vice versa is said when the price is below the -80, in between the -80 to -100, it indicates that the price is very likely in oversold conditions and will provide retraces to the upside. As other indicators, it is best applied together with other tools, and of course, the price itself. Levels like support and resistances, falling trend lines, dynamic trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and other tools